Hey guys, welcome back to Dash of Glam. I'm your girl Dasha, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how I did this Shea Butter and sugar lip scrub. So you will need shea butter, sugar. I'm using brown sugar in this tutorial, a teaspoon and a bowl to combine the ingredients. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of shea butter in my mixing bowl and about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to combine these 2 ingredients together to make a mixture. And gradually I will keep adding sugar if desired or whenever desired. Okay, so the mixture should look something like this. Now I'm going to apply some of the mixture to my fingers, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips, and I'm going to gently massage my lips with it. I will do that for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to go wash my face off camera. I'll be back. I'm all done washing my face. I'm just going to dry it with a towel. Dry the lip area. And this is how my lips look after the scrub. As you could see, it looks a little lighter. It feels so much softer. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or if you're new here, and share this video with your friend. And also feel free to leave anything down in the comment section, whether it be suggestions and ideas on videos to come, or whether it be, some feedback on this tutorial. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much.